Hi, this is Sarah Lingra, behind the camera, and I'm going to show you how to play the introduction to In the Hall of the Mountain King by Edvard Grieg in a few simple steps. First thing, get the 5-note scale and chord card set. Second, get the minor 5-note scale card out of that card set. Then you take the yellow arrow and you put it on the B key on the low end of the piano, and you do this because the original key of the piece was in B minor. Practice the 5-note minor scale. Do it staccato. That makes it a little spooky. And then change the rhythm. If you wanted to play the descending minor thirds, move the key card one down and one down again, and then the yellow arrow back to the B, and then it'll change for the rest of the phrase. If you wanted to try this in a different key, then you could move the yellow arrow to a different key. In this case, I moved it to E. Or if you wanted it in F sharp. It works everywhere on the piano. So I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial of In the Hall of the Mountain King. You can find the piano key 5-note scale and chord cards at www.pianokeyfinders.com. This is Sarah Lingra.